BubbaTrading.com. He's watching all from the CME. Todd, let me read you the headline that changed the news on oil. It changed the news on the markets. We went from a 400-point down on the Dow to about 200 points down. The headline says OPEC members are ready to cooperate on a cut. Do you believe that headline?
Hi, David. I don't believe it. B, it doesn't really matter. The markets hang right down to a level of support. I was actually doing a live call when that happened. I said, here's a spot that the market should balance, and 5 minutes later, out came the news. This has become a much bigger story, but it's really the story about the financial engineering and the Fed. Oil is a buy down here at some point. It may not be today here, but no matter what they do, we're going to see more action in oil, and we want to sell the equities because the equities are in too much trouble here. The whole problem is all of this engineering that's going on. It has nothing to do with OPEC or anybody else. They are not typically related. So hold on a second.
I just want to get this clear. Are you saying that some of the price of oil has to do with the value of the dollar and all of the currency manipulations in the world?
Yeah. Absolutely, I'm saying that the financial manipulation has caused the commodity crisis, oil being part of that has brought the commodities into a deflationary scenario instead of the inflation that they keep trying to get us into.
Okay, well, one of the things that clearly monetary policy is affecting is the price of gold, way up today. At one point, it was up $55 to $1,250 an ounce of gold. Gold bugs are very happy. Is this going to last?
Well, yeah, listen, I think gold probably has a chance to run to 1,300. I thought that once it broke from 1140 to 1180 over 1200, it was going to make a move. Here it is. You had a little bit of a panic. Just like the rally we had late in the day. That was more of a short covering rally. You had a little panic in gold. Yeah. Now we'll see where it's going to go. But I think it's going to be fine. I'd be a buyer. I'm a buyer of commodities, a seller of equities.
Are you a buyer of gold at 1250?
I'm not a buyer of gold. Now, I was a buyer of gold. I am a buyer of other commodities and seller of the markets.
I'm glad you held on to your gold. Todd Horwitz, great to see you. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you, David.
For more on the markets, let's bring